который, как я понимаю, как мне господин премьер-министр сказал, берет начало с древних времен, когда здесь встречали мореплавателей.
Distinguished Prime Minister, dear friends, it's my pleasure to be present here on the hospitable land of Fiji. And thank you very much for your hospitality and for the warm welcome. As far as I understand, judging by the words of Mr. Prime Minister, this ritual goes back to ancient times when the natives of the island met sailors coming from far away.
Искренность ваших сердец в этом ритуале, и мы будем всегда помнить этот прекрасный момент, и знайте, что мы отвечаем вам за это.
And we have felt the sincerity of your hearts in this ritual. It will be forever enshrined in our memory. Thank you very much, and we will respond with reciprocity. Once again, I thank you very much, and I look forward to very interesting, meaningful and promising talks today on the hospitable land of Fiji.